Hey guys, welcome back to Cranking Out Crafts. Today we're going to show you how to make a little Polaroid picture frame for those Taylor Swift fans out there. We just took a full sheet of foam core and cut it out with an X-Acto knife. And the next thing that I'm going to do is decorate it like the Lovers album, that really cloudy cover. We wanted the background to look like that. So I'm using today these Opal Polishes that we have, and I've got several of the colors that made sense that look like the album covers. First of all, the polish comes with a little sponge at the top like this. I've already used it. And then you can open it up, and we're just gonna dab it in here to grab some. And then I'm gonna go in a circular motion. Okay, now I just put on a lot on this section, and I'm just gonna kind of sponge it on. It will dry, but I want it to remain a little bit wet for just a bit, because, make sure you put your cover on, because we're going to be blending several colors next to it. Oh my gosh, look at this, gorgeous. And I'm just kind of rubbing it in to this frame to give it that cloud-like background. Now, if at any point your polish dries up, don't worry, you just add a little water to it and it'll bring it right back. But I do want to make sure that you guys always put your covers on, because this stuff doesn't want to dry out. Okay, here's this pretty gold color, or peachy. And I'm just going to work my way around the frame to give it that beautiful cloud cover. We'll come right back. Okay guys, I am just finishing up. I'm loving the way that this is turning out. This opal polish dries very quickly, so make sure you do cover these once you're done. If you need to reactivate it, just add a little water to your sponge and it reactivates. When you're working with something like foam core though, you don't want too much water on it because it'll really warp. But take a look. Here we have our gorgeous photo frame that you can use at parties for all those photo ops. Have fun.